Welcome to the second part of the intermediate section of this course, the active part. So now we will start being aware of our breath while doing something, not just sitting still and observing. And I want you to now include in your breath awareness the gap between breaths. Because while you're doing something, you will notice that the gap between breaths might introduce thoughts, because you're doing something, so there's new things happening all the time. And this spawns thoughts more easily than when you're sitting still. So learn to recognize the gap. You breathe in, and there's a gap, and the breath goes out. And there's a gap, and the breath goes in, and there's a gap, and so on. So treat the gap between breaths like the gap between a lightning strike and the thunder. The lightning flashes, and you listen attentively for the thunder, completely soundless. I mean, completely noiseless in your mind. So, while you go about the lessons to come, be aware both of the inhale, the gap, and the exhale. It will make it easier to stay in meditation when you have, you could say, a relationship to every part of the breathing process. So, let's get on with it.